I really don't even know where to start this video. That's actually completely one of the difficult ones to make. I mean, this is more than just the usual, for me, the video I don't want to make. So, yeah. I know the title and thumbnail really don't look good. I think we'll attempt to start this. So y'all can see behind me with this truck. This is my dad's 2014 Toyota Tacoma. Now, those of you who've been with the channel for a good long time will remember this truck. One of the first videos I ever did, and easily one of the first videos I ever did that got a lot of views, was the review I did on this truck a couple years ago. Got a pretty good, significant number of views, and of course it brought in a lot of Tacoma people to the channel. A lot of you will also remember that I daily drive a red 2013 Tacoma. Now, of course, that's where I did make some content with on the channel, even kind of recently, actually. I think 2019, we did a beach vlog with that truck, and then I did a review for Detail Product. Well, this past week, I had a pretty terrible week. On Monday, I was driving home from work, an old lady decided that she was going to make a U-turn from the right-hand lane while I was in the left-hand lane. I want to go ahead and put the dash cam footage up of that. Yeah, it's not good. So unfortunately, I learned yesterday morning my truck is a total loss. Now, as y'all can see by that dash cam footage, it's pretty damn well she's at fault. I mean, I know at least one of you all are going to say, well, hey, you were speeding. Well, okay, the speed limit's 45, and yeah, I was going around 50. Fine. I admit that. And at least one of y'all are going to say, well, hey, you didn't brake soon enough. Well, dashcam footage makes distances look really long. However, that was really only about a couple car lengths. That really was not a lot of space. Currently, I'm actually fighting with insurance, so I'm a bit stressed out with that. Now, a lot of you will kind of remember that I admitted this before, been open with that technically wasn't even my truck, because my parents bought me that truck brand new. That truck it just never got put into my name. That's legally their truck. So, it's been a bit of a headache to have to deal with that. Since I was the primary driver, I had to give my statement and everything. I've been trying to do everything. Unfortunately, I have to keep going through my parents, which makes it even more difficult because my dad's out of town right now. But yeah, really, really upset about that, actually. For that truck, because I've had that truck since it was brand new in 2013. As I mentioned, that was my high school graduation present, that truck. So I have a lot of memories with that truck. I drove that truck to my senior prom. We took that truck to college orientation when I was a freshman. Took that truck not just on that one beach trip, but I took it on several beach trips. I've been driving it to college here, and as y'all know, I just recently finished my master's degree. So I drove that truck all 7 years I've been in college. And then drove that on my first date with my girlfriend. And of course, several vacations with it. So I really am upset, guys. I just want to let you all know that's why I haven't really uploaded this week, is because it's been a pretty stressful week. I'm also going to put some pictures up of the other woman's car that, he got hit. Yeah, the damage in her car doesn't look too bad. As far as I know, she's alright. I had to take a trip to the emergency room because I've been in some back pain for a while, and I'm more than likely to end up having to take a trip to the chiropractors to make sure my back is alright. And of course, I've got a nice, I don't know how well you're all going to see it, but I got a nice little burn on my wrist from the airbag going off. Now, a lot of people have said, why don't you just go ahead and buy it back? The airbag going off, it's not that difficult to fix, but I mean, really, the airbag going off, not only does that mean an automatic total loss, but for me, it was, do I really feel safe driving around in a truck where the airbag's been replaced? Yeah, I'm upset about it, but even if they had determined to fix it and replace the airbag, we were prepared to just go ahead and let that truck go. It's upsetting, it's annoying. I'm really upset about it, because I really did love that truck. But yeah, so we're gonna go ahead and let that truck go. Maybe in the future, when that truck goes up for auction for the insurance, I might see about finding whoever buys it, and maybe see who gets it, because I really would feel better knowing it went to a good home. And I know for a fact I have at least one subscriber who wanted to buy that truck, so it's kind of unsettling. I was planning to put at least 200,000 miles on that truck before I even entertained getting rid of it. It only had 53,000 miles, you know, but I'm alive to tell you the story, and I made it out for relatively minor injuries, so at minimum, I'm thankful for that. And yes, I'm going to be in the market for another truck pretty soon, because obviously I can't. Mustang, I would love to daily drive it, but it's just too impractical for a daily driver. It's not very good on gas. On top of that, I just find myself worrying when I drive that car. So that's going to remain the weekend toy, but I'd rather, I mean, it's a logical case for me. I'm going to get another Tacoma. There's no question about it. This is now the third major accident with it involving me in a Tacoma where I have walked away. When I was 17, I rolled over my dad's Tacoma, as he had an 04, completely walked away, and then, of course, actually the day we went to pick up the Mustang, y'all remember that probably, because that was on the channel, we got rear-ended. The other car hit basically my side of the truck. Again, I walked away, and now this with the old lady pulling out in front of me in the red truck, so 3 major accidents, and I've never had a major injury. I mean, this right here, this airbag burn, and I've got a couple bruises on my front side from the airbag. That's it. That's the only injuries I got. So yes, guys, I'm still a bit upset, and now this video is not going to be the quality you all are used to, unfortunately, but I just wanted to make a video to put this out there. This is hard for me to even make. Like, I really am gonna miss that little truck. I mean, it's kind of hard when you're used to a truck for so long. I mean, I'm a car guy, so I get emotionally attached to vehicles pretty easily. So for me to let something like that go, it's hard for me. And I mean, even for people who aren't necessarily that emotionally attached, it is hard to let a vehicle go because you get used to it. Now, of course, pretty soon as soon as the settlement clears, I'm gonna be in the market for most likely a 2020 Tacoma. I mean, I don't see the reason not to buy another one. People have already sent me some used ones. I mean, the problem with used is I just don't know who's taking care of it. That 2013 was well maintained, on time. I think the dealers loved it. They would always harass me and offer me trades for it. They'd be like, "You want to trade this one in? This one's in excellent shape." Service guy said, "Man, you keep that thing nice." So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and get another brand new one. I mean, really the only way to keep going with this is I'm gonna end up forging ahead. I'm gonna make new memories with the new truck. So I think when I get closer to buying the truck, I'll definitely update you all on this. Hopefully soon we're gonna be back to normal content though. I'm hoping that we got some car shows that are starting to take place. We got we're getting back to Cars and Coffee hopefully next month sometime. In the meantime, I mean, we got my loaner here. Shout out to my dad for letting me borrow his truck while he's out of town. Another huge shout out to my girlfriend's dad. He's told me that when they're about to go on vacation too, he told me I'm more than welcome to borrow his S10. So worst comes to worst, I can always borrow that truck. So I'm not hurting for a vehicle to drive. I would not mind a rental car right now. However, we don't have rental car coverage on insurance, so go ahead and hit that subscribe button because I'm hoping to make content with any new truck I get. So anyway, guys, I guess that's it. Take care. Have a good day.